Hello everyone. Welcome to O-English Channel, your home for easy English and big motivation. I'm Ausman.
I'm Layla. We are so happy to have you with us today in our new studio.
Layla, you look very happy today. Did you have a good morning?
Well, Ausman, it started a bit badly. I tried to speak English at the coffee shop, and I made a big mistake. I felt so embarrassed. I wanted to hide.
Oh, Layla, I'm glad you said that. In O-English Channel, we have a rule. Mistakes are beautiful.
Beautiful? Ausman, it didn't feel beautiful. It felt like I was failing.
I know. But think about this. If you are making mistakes, it means you are talking. If you are talking, you are learning.
So, if I am silent and perfect, I am actually doing it the wrong way.
Exactly. To be a winner in English, you must be okay with being a beginner first. Every expert was once a beginner who didn't give up.
That makes me feel so much better. I was looking at a huge grammar book this morning, and I felt like I knew nothing.
Don't look at the whole book, Layla. Just look at one page. Or even better, just listen to one story.
Like our stories here on O-English Channel?
Yes, just 5 or 10 minutes a day. That is the O-English Channel secret. Small steps lead to big changes.
I love that. Small steps. Okay, O-English Channel family, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What is one mistake you made this week? Let's celebrate our mistakes together because they make us stronger.
Please, if this video helped you feel better, click the like button and subscribe. We want to grow this family with you, Ausman and me.
Thank you for joining us today. You are doing a great job. Don't give up.
You can do it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.